This is book review number 2 of this year, and I'm stacking these pretty close together for a good reason. The next book for book review is a 60th anniversary edition of a book by Ray Bradbury, Farenheit 451. This is a book that you want to read in concert with 1984 from George Orwell. Ray Bradbury is someone who also a very prolific author. He has other books such as Something Wicked This Way Comes, The Martian, and a few other books as well. And Orwell has a couple others as well, but both of them are very prolific writers. The interesting thing with the difference between the two of them is that with 1984, you have more of a totalitarian state and what have you. You have something similar in Farenheit 451, but it's really about allowing yourself to be distracted. It's allowing yourself to be caught off guard. I mean, there's talk of, in the book early on, what are called seashells, which sound a whole lot like earbuds that we have today. You have the protagonist's character, Guy Montag, who, you know, has his wife who is talking to the family on the wall from screens. Sound familiar? You also have just what firefighters are, which is complete opposite of what they're supposed to be. You have the burning of books, which, sidebar, I have a professor who is now retired, who was one of my teachers at university here, who bemoaned the fact that books were going digital and referred to what he considered to be digital kindling, or digital book burning, because of the fact that he asked the question, you know, what happens if there's an EMP and the database for said digital books are wiped out? What happens then? Who has control of any backups of backups of backups? Why do I bring that point up? I bring that point up because that point actually fits into this book, because nobody really has any books, and that's actually kind of one of the main points of this book, is that reading books is essentially forbidden. And people are so distracted by so many things. I don't want to get into the whole thing, but you have people who are distracted by so many things, and it's nuts what people are willing to allow themselves to be distracted by. You know, it could be games, it could be talking to the family on the wall, literally or figuratively. I think we're seeing that with Microsoft Teams and with Zoom. Call me conspiratorial all you want, but if you read this book along with the other one that I recommended by Orwell, again, don't just take my word for it. Read this book yourself, because there are a lot of eye-opening things that happen in this book. But if you get a chance, read it, learn about the Hound, learn about the fire station, learn about the numbness that comes with allowing oneself to be distracted. That's book number 2. Hopefully I'll see you guys later for book review number 3. Thank you very much.